Okay, so now we are looking at the femur. And so let's start with the landmarks of the femur. And again, we know it's the femur because it's one of the only two that has the ball on the head, but it's the much longer one. Okay, so this is the head of the femur where the ball is. Then take this is fovea capitis, but you can take it off your list. Then on the posterior side, so if you flip over your femur, you're going to see two bumps. A larger one, which is your greater trochanter. Trochanter is another word for bump. And then your lesser trochanter. So when you look at it from the anterior side, you can also see the trochanters. So greater trochanter is lateral, just like it was with the humerus. Remember, the one that started with G was lateral, and the lesser is medial. Greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. So that's for the proximal end of the femur, head, greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. Then we move to the distal end of the femur, and we have that condyle situation again. So again, remember, this is the medial side because the head is on the medial side of the femur. So then that means this also has to be my medial side. So if you look at the back here, these two things are the condyles. So here, this one is the medial condyle because it's on the same side as the head. If you see it here, head. So this is the medial condyle. And then this back here is the lateral condyle, okay? So medial and lateral condyle. But what's more interesting is the epicondyles because that's where muscles are going to attach. So again, medial for the head. So then this is going to be your medial epicondyle. It's the rough part that's just above the condyle. So epi means above. Epicondyle, medial epicondyle. And over here, lateral epicondyle. So on the femur, we have head, we have greater trochanter, we have lesser trochanter, then we have over here medial condyle. If I flip it over, medial condyle and lateral condyle, and then we have medial epicondyle and lateral epicondyle.